Are you tired of using your large screen phone with your two hands? If it is, we have a solution for you. Dear my YouTube friends and families, this is Leotech. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use your large screen phone by using only one hand. So in this video you will see those things. So let us go straight to the setting. So in the setting we will have one option, say advanced features. So in the advanced feature we have one-handed mode setting. So you will make it on. So when you will make it on, we have two choices, button and gesture. So you will choose either of the one. So I will choose the button. So when I double tap the home screen, my screen will be minimized so that I can use by only one hand. So let us see it. So when I double tap this, as you can see here, I can use my phone in the left hand, so that I can use my phone in the left hand. If I want to use my phone in the right hand, I will press this button and we can use my phone in the right hand, so that we can chat, we can say everything we want, so that we can use by using one hand. This is the use of one hand mode. So we have to make it on and you will use it. And if you want to chat, if you want to use different things, you can use by only one hand. So this is the use of one-handed mode. I hope you like the videos. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share to your friends and families, and share to your beloved one. This is Leotech Tube. Have a good day.